Is the European Union teetering on the edge of failure? Explore the economic threats, challenges, and uncertain future of this influential global player. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of economics. Today, we're tackling a thought-provoking question. Is the European Union headed for failure? The EU, with its vast membership and economic importance, has been a central player in the global arena. However, recent challenges have raised concerns about its sustainability. Join us as we explore the economic threats facing the EU, assess the likelihood of member states leaving the Union, and examine the potential impact on the global economy. So without further ado, let's get started. Segment 1. The European Union's formation and evolution. The European Union (EU) has a relatively short but impactful history. In 1993, the EU was established with the signing of the Treaty of the European Union. However, its roots can be traced back to the European communities, which were created after World War II to foster economic cooperation among European nations. Over time, these communities evolved into the EU, with a broader scope that encompassed shared citizenship, a common currency, foreign policy alignment, and collaboration in areas like law enforcement and justice. The EU's original 12 member states were selected from the European communities, consisting of the European Economic Community, the European Coal and Steel Community, and the European Atomic Energy Community. While the first two communities were integrated into the EU's operations, the Atomic Energy Community remains a separate entity focused on nuclear safety, research, and collaboration. Prior to the European communities, various initiatives aimed to unify European countries through economic cooperation. The devastation of World War II and the emergence of nuclear weapons heightened the motivation for collaboration. Proposals for a United States of Europe gained traction but faced resistance from nations reluctant to relinquish sovereignty. The EU struck a balance by offering the benefits of a unified entity while maintaining member states' sovereignty and political autonomy. Segment 2. Benefits and challenges of the European Union. The European Union offers its member states a range of benefits, but it is not without its challenges. Let's explore both aspects in more detail. The EU provides a platform for political cooperation, allowing member states to work together towards shared goals and values. This collaboration fosters peace, stability, and a sense of collective identity among nations with diverse histories. Additionally, the EU promotes free trade among its members, facilitating the exchange of goods, services, and investments without barriers like tariffs or quotas. This integrated market provides opportunities for businesses to expand their reach and benefit from economies of scale. The shared currency, the euro, plays a vital role in promoting economic integration. It gives member states access to a widely recognized and respected global currency, which boosts confidence in their economies. Furthermore, the EU provides freedom of movement, allowing people to live, work, and study across member states. This mobility enhances job opportunities, encourages cultural exchange, and enriches the overall social fabric of the EU. However, the EU also faces challenges. Economic disparities exist among member states, with some economies more prosperous than others. This can lead to imbalances and create tensions within the Union. Furthermore, the EU's regulatory framework and decision-making processes require a delicate balance between centralized authority and maintaining national autonomy. Striking this balance is essential to ensure the benefits of cooperation while respecting the sovereignty of member states. Segment 3. Current economic threats to the European Union. The European Union faces several pressing economic threats that have the potential to disrupt its unity and stability. Let's delve into some of the key challenges it currently confronts. The global pandemic, with its widespread impact, has exposed vulnerabilities within the EU. Supply chains were disrupted as governments implemented measures to control the virus, leading to factory shutdowns and restricted cross-border movement of goods. Additionally, the rise of remote work has transformed the labor market, allowing companies to hire skilled workers from anywhere in the world. While this may offer cost advantages, it also contributes to brain drain, as talented individuals from lower-wage countries seek opportunities in higher-wage member states. Another significant concern is the shared currency, the euro. While it has facilitated trade and economic integration, it also presents challenges. Varying inflation rates among member states create difficulties in setting unified monetary policies that effectively address the needs of all economies. This lack of flexibility can hinder the response to economic shocks, particularly for countries with high inflation rates. Moreover, geopolitical tensions and conflicts, such as the war in Ukraine, have raised concerns about the EU's energy security and reliance on external suppliers. Disruptions in energy supply chains can have detrimental effects on member states' economies, leading to higher energy costs and reduced competitiveness. To navigate these threats, the EU must prioritize adaptability and proactive measures such as strengthening supply chains, investing in digital infrastructure, and addressing economic disparities within member states. Segment 4. Potential implications for the global economy. If the EU were to face a collapse or a significant exodus of member states, the consequences would extend beyond its borders. The magnitude of these consequences would depend on the nature and speed of such an event. A gradual exodus, similar to Brexit, could have lasting effects on economic growth over the next decade. The UK's estimated economic cost of Brexit, ranging from 2.5% to 8% of GDP, provides a glimpse into the challenges that could arise. However, the UK's ability to retain its own currency mitigated some risks. In contrast, a sudden and widespread dissolution of the EU would trigger a severe continent-wide recession. Trade investments and financial stability would all be significantly impacted. The interconnectedness of the global economy means that no nation would be immune to the repercussions. It is crucial for policymakers and international institutions to closely monitor the EU's situation and be prepared for potential economic shocks. Cooperation and contingency planning at the global level will be essential to mitigate the negative effects and maintain stability. Segment 5. Uncertain future and importance of planning. Looking ahead, the future of the European Union remains uncertain, raising important questions about its long-term sustainability. While the EU has proven resilient in the face of challenges, it is crucial for member states to plan for potential scenarios, to minimize disruptions and safeguard their economies. This requires a proactive approach that takes into account the diverse economic challenges and the delicate balance between centralized authority and national autonomy. The EU's ability to address existing economic threats, such as the impact of the pandemic, brain drain, and currency challenges, will be instrumental in determining its resilience moving forward. It is essential for member states to develop contingency plans and robust strategies that prioritize economic stability and cooperation. By acknowledging the potential risks and uncertainties, the EU can better navigate the road ahead. It is through careful planning, adaptation, and collaboration that the EU can continue to foster economic growth and provide stability for its member states. As we keep a watchful eye on the EU's journey, let us remain informed and engaged in understanding the complex dynamics shaping the future of this influential union. In conclusion, the future of the European Union hangs in the balance, with significant economic challenges and uncertainties ahead. While the EU has brought many benefits to its member states, it must address the disparities, adapt to changing dynamics, and ensure a delicate balance between centralized authority and national autonomy. As we continue to monitor the developments, it is crucial to stay informed and engaged. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content on economics. Together, let's delve deeper into the intricacies of our ever-changing world.